to Baby Animal Land opening scene with lively music and a colorful animated landscape. The narrator speaks excitedly. Narrator: welcome, dear friends, to Baby Animal Land, a magical place where cute and cuddly baby animals roam. Today, let's embark on an adventure to meet some adorable little ones. The curious kittens transition to a cozy corner where a mama cat and her playful kittens are featured. Narrator: enthusiastically, our first stop is the land of curious kittens. Look at those fluffy furballs, learning to pounce and play. Meet Whiskers, Fluffy, and Mittens as they explore their world. Giggles with goat kids transition to a sunny meadow where a group of goat kids frolic around. Narrator cheerfully: now, let's jump over to the giggly goat kids. They love to climb and leap. Join Billy, Daisy, and Coco in their playful antics, making everyone around them laugh. Dancing with deer fawns, move to a serene forest where mama deer and their delicate fawns gracefully move. Narrator calmly: in the quiet woods, we find the deer fawns dancing with their mamas. Meet Dottie, Bambi, and Willow as they learn to prance and leap through the enchanted forest. Bear cubs' big discovery transition to a mountainous area where mama bears and their curious cubs explore. Narrator excitedly climb up the mountains to discover the bear cubs' big adventure. Brownie, Snowball, and Honey are on a quest to find honey and learn the ways of the forest. Hooves and Happiness, with horse foals, move to a picturesque pasture where mama horses and their spirited foals gallop around. Narrator: with joy, in the meadows of happiness, the horse foals prance and play. Meet Starlight, Thunder, and Buttercup as they learn to run with the wind and make friends. Mud Puddles and Oinks with Piglets transition to a muddy farmyard where mama pigs and their adorable piglets roll in the mud. Narrator playfully: get ready for some oinktastic fun. Join Peppa, Snickers, and Mud Pie as they dive into mud puddles and enjoy the simple pleasures of farm life. A happy reunion. Bring all the baby animals together in a heartwarming scene. Narrator: our adventure in Baby Animal Land has been full of joy and laughter. As we wrap up, let's witness a heartwarming reunion of all our little friends. They may be different, but they share the universal language of love and friendship. Farewell and goodbye. Closing scene with a beautiful sunset. Narrator warmly: thank you for joining us on this magical journey in Baby Animal Land. Until we meet again, may your days be filled with the joy and innocence of these adorable baby animals. Goodbye, dear friends. Don't forget to subscribe Danyal Haider, Cartoons for Kids,